Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to install these aftermarket tow mirrors from Sanooer on this F-150 truck. We'll do a quick unboxing, a side-by-side comparison, as well as show you the tools that you're going to need to do a proper installation. These tow mirrors not only look great on this vehicle, but will also add safety when towing large trailers behind you as well. Let's get started. Alright, so here's a quick look at what you're going to receive. This is a toolkit for removing the trim, a little auto parts towing book with the wiring diagrams for each vehicle, the wiring diagram specific for your vehicle, and some awesome stickers. Your mirrors will come fully enclosed in this foam wrap. Inside of this nice bag to protect them. Here's a look at the mirror. Depending on which trim level Ford you have, they will include the wiring harness. Mine is the 11-pin to the 8-pin plug because I do not have the puddle lights and a few of the other accessories that the higher trim levels have on the F-150s. And then it has the LED turn signal on the side of the mirror as well. Let's go ahead and get this installed. Installation process is quite simple. You're going to need two simple tools, a plastic trim remover from Sanooer and a deep well 10mm socket. Before you begin, it's easiest to roll down your window completely so you have access to your mirror on the other side. First step you're going to need to do is remove this plastic trim piece from inside your door. Take your trim removal tool, slide it behind the plastic. Get it loosened up and then pull straight back. There's 4 clips that hold this on. Now you want to unplug your wire harness. Remove this tab that holds your wire harness from falling down inside. Set that off to the side. And you're going to have 4 10mm bolts holding on your mirror. One here, and then 2 inside right here. For removal purposes, I'm going to use a cordless drill with a 10mm socket. For installation, I'm going to use a hand socket so I can hand tighten it to make sure that I do not over tighten these bolts when reinstalling. Remove these 2 first. Then the bottom one and the top one will be last. Now when removing this last bolt, put your hand behind the mirror and hold it into place. Now with all 4 bolts removed, you're going to want to apply some down pressure here while tilting up on this and pulling it out at the same time. What you have is 1 pin holding it in here and then a little clip right at the top here. And that's why you need to push a little down pressure and tilt it back so this clip gets removed and your mirror will come out pretty easy. Here's a side-by-side comparison. This is the stock mirror, Sanooer's towing mirror. For installation process, make sure you have the correct wire harness connected for your vehicle specs. Feed your wire harness through the square slot in this opening here. Line everything up. Line up your pins and your bolts. Now with one hand holding onto the mirror in place, take your nut and attach it to the top bolt and hand tighten it. Take your second one and apply it to the bottom bolt. Now replace these 2 bolts as well. You just want to hand tighten these bolts for now to hold the mirror in place. And then we're going to connect the wire harness and test out the mirror before securing these down, torquing them to specs, and replacing that trim piece. Now plug your wire harness back in. Turn your ignition on and give the mirror a test. The top portion of your mirror is power. And the bottom part is manual movements only. Now that we know everything's working, we're going to secure this wire into place here and reinstall your trim piece by lining up your 4 tabs. Make sure you don't have any wires pinched, then push it tight. Installation is finished and your mirrors are ready for use. It's that simple. These aftermarket tow mirrors from Sanooer are heated, just like the stock ones that come on your truck. They have the LED blinkers. They include the temperature sensor underneath, as well as the puddle lights, which my truck is not equipped with. And the mirrors can also be manually extended or retracted, as well as turned in when you're going through the car washes. Some of the local car washes around here, you have to have your mirrors folded in or you're gonna take them off, and you don't want that to happen. The fit on these mirrors are just like the stock ones. A nice tight line here, insulated behind to keep everything waterproof, keeps the bugs out, almost as though these were stock mirrors from the factory. Here's a quick look at the stock mirrors. And here's a quick look at Sanooer's aftermarket tow mirrors installed. The mirrors stick out much further, giving you greater visibility. Installation of these aftermarket tow mirrors from Sanooer takes approximately 5 to 10 minutes each with just 2 simple tools. Not only do these mirrors make your truck look great, but they also add greater visibility for added safety when towing large trailers or other things behind you. If you guys are interested in these mirrors, I'll leave a link down in the description below. As always, thanks for watching. Remember to get outdoors with Deano.